Welcome back. So it is a Friday afternoon, and I am here at the alley of Masjid Hidayatul Islam Banhao. So it's a 19th century mosque that was built by Chinese settlers from the Yunnan province, the Ho Chins. All right. As you can see, the Chinese presence is still very strong in the architecture over here. So this is Kauswa Islam, which I wanted to go, but wasn't open. So I settled for Sophia's, and that is Maya Sophia. All right. It's built around all walls, and that is the mosque itself. Very beautiful. And it still has the Chinese calligraphy motifs. This is the wudu area, the ablution area. And it's a cozy, neat space, small. It was filled, and there you go, that's Doi Sutep. Alright, I'm no longer in Chiang Mai now. I'm in Mae Kai. Gonna go for some coffee. Totally rural place. It's around 1 hour away from Chiang Mai itself. I mean, it's still Chiang Mai, but it's a different province. Rain. Alright, so and this would be Mae Kai Coffee Roasters. Alright, it's around 24 kilometers away from main Chiang Mai on the way to Chiang Dao. So I almost reached Chiang Dao for slow drip medium roast coffee. It's beans that was acquired from Chiang Rai itself. So the notes basically is very sour, fruity notes and all that. Beautiful. Thank you, Kak. Thank you. And it started to look quite gloomy, the weather, so I decided to ride back out.
Turn right on Highway 107.
That is to Highway 107 back to Chiang Mai. This was where it started to rain really badly. Crazy ass. Stuck in the rain.